Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you 3 different ways to load data into RStudio. This is what RStudio should look like when you first open it up. The first thing you want to do is click File, New File, RScript. This RScript is where you will type your commands. So the first command I want to do is to read a CSV file off of the internet. And I'm going to go to the textbook and I'm going to copy and paste a line of code from chapter 2.8, which tells you how to load data into RStudio. Copy, paste, and let's just quickly see what this line of code is doing. It is going to create a new data set called Mars. It is going to create that data set by using the read.csv function. This function looks for a comma separated value file. Inside of these brackets, we just need to put the location of the file in quotation marks. The location of this file is on the internet. Once we have that typed in, I'm going to make sure that the cursor is at the end of the line and I click Run. And now RStudio has downloaded this file from the internet. We see it pop up in the top right of our environment screen. Now let's take a quick look at this data set. I'm going to take a look at it by clicking on this spreadsheet icon right here. And this gives us what you might see in Excel or some other spreadsheet application. It shows us what the data looks like. We can scroll down, we can see all 1,000 observations in this data set if we like to. And we see all the variables as columns. All right, I'm going to close this down and now show you the other 2 ways to get data into RStudio. A second way to load data into RStudio is directly from your computer, a location on your computer. I'm choosing the name of the dataset, Mars Data. I use the read.csv command again, and then in quotations, in brackets, in quotations, I'm going to type the location of the file. And I need to make sure that I get all the spaces and lowercase and uppercase characters correct. Again, I need to either highlight or have the cursor active at the end of this line before I click Run. And there we see that the data has loaded from a location on our computer. It is actually the exact same data set as we loaded in the first step, but I just gave it a different name. So now there's 2 copies of it. A third way to load data into RStudio uses the file.choose command. I'm going to do what I did before, except instead of typing the location of the file, I'm going to type file.choose. I need some empty brackets. I click the Run button, and now I will be prompted to find the file on my computer. Here's the location of the file I want to load. Click Open. And there it is. We see it appear again in the environment window. Thanks for watching.